Okay, so have you ever felt like you're clicking your mouse a million times just to get something simple done on your computer? You're definitely not alone. But what if I told you there's a more direct, way more powerful way to talk to your PC? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on the Windows command prompt. Think of it as your secret shortcut to becoming a real power user. Look, we're all used to the world of icons and menus. You know the drill. You point, you click, you drag things around. It's comfortable, it's familiar, but sometimes it feels like you're taking the scenic route, right? You're jumping through window after window just to do one little thing. Just think about something as basic as creating a new folder. On one hand, you've got the usual dance. Right-click, go to New, click on Folder, type a name, press Enter. It works, but on the other hand, you just type one single line of text. And that right there, that comparison, gets to the heart of this whole thing. There's a faster, more direct way to get your computer to do what you want. And that brings us to this amazing tool, the command prompt. Now, don't let the black screen and the text intimidate you. This isn't some dusty old relic. It's an absolute powerhouse. It's your shortcut to total system control, letting you do things way faster, and sometimes letting you do things you can't even do with a mouse. And getting into it? It couldn't be easier. Seriously, all you do is press the Windows key on your keyboard, type in three little letters, CMD, and then just hit Enter. That's it. You're in. The very first thing you'll see is a line of text like this, with a little blinking cursor at the end. Now, this isn't just random techno jargon. It's your current location. Think of it exactly like a pin on a map, showing you precisely where you are inside your computer's filing cabinet. So how do we actually make things happen in here? We use commands. A command is just a simple instruction you give directly to Windows. A fantastic first one to try is just typing the word help. Go on, type it in, press Enter. It's like opening up a built-in instruction manual that shows you all sorts of other commands you can start playing with. But here's the thing. Commands don't usually work all by themselves. They often need a little bit more information to get the job done. And that's where something called an argument comes in. An argument is just that extra piece of info that tells a command how or where to do its thing. It adds precision to your instructions. Let me show you what I mean. Let's look at a real-world example. Here we have the command cd, which stands for change directory. Then we have the argument dots, which is basically a universal shortcut for the folder one level up. When you put them together and type cd dots, you're telling the computer to instantly move you out of the folder you're in and into its parent folder. See that? It's the power of that simple command plus argument combo. All right, enough theory. Theory is great, but let's actually put this to work. It's time to get our hands dirty with our first practical skill, managing all your files and folders at lightning speed. So, remember that cd command? Let's say we want to jump into our Documents folder. It's as simple as typing cd documents and hitting Enter. That's the exact same thing as finding and double-clicking on the Documents folder with your mouse, just way faster. And boom, look at that. The second you hit Enter, the prompt changes. It updates your map pin to show your new location. You're now inside the Documents folder. The great thing is, the command line is always telling you exactly where you are, so you'll never feel lost. Okay, here's your essential starter kit for managing files. Want to see everything that's inside the folder you're in? Just type dir. Need to make a new folder for that project you're starting? mkdir and the folder name, and it's done. Need to get rid of a file? Del is your command. These are the building blocks, and once you get the hang of them, you'll be flying through your file system. But the command prompt is so much more than just a file manager. It's also an incredible tool for troubleshooting. Let's tackle that classic, frustrating question. Is the internet down, or is it just my computer? Well, you can get your answer in seconds with two simple commands. First, type ipconfig. That'll show you all of your computer's network details, like its IP address. Then try ping google.com. This sends a tiny little signal out to Google servers. If you get a reply back, congratulations, your internet connection is working just fine. And the problem is probably with the specific website you were trying to reach. Ready to level up? Because beyond all the everyday tasks, the command prompt holds a powerful first aid kit for your PC. It gives you direct access to some really deep system repair tools. So, if your computer ever starts acting up, remember these. A huge one is sfc/scannow. This command scans all of your critical Windows system files and automatically replaces any that are corrupted or missing. There's also CHKDSK for fixing hard drive errors and DISM for even deeper repairs. Oh, and a quick pro tip. For these heavy-duty tools, you'll usually need to run the command prompt as an administrator to give it the right permissions. So what's the big takeaway from all this? The command prompt isn't just for super geeks and programmers. It's a real, practical tool that can make you more productive, help you solve tricky problems, and give you a kind of control that you just can't get with a mouse. It's like unlocking a new superpower for your computer. And it's not really about memorizing hundreds of commands. It's about getting this one core idea. Learning the command line helps you unlock this deeper, more fine-tuned control over your Windows system. It lets you make the machine truly work for you, not the other way around. So you now have a brand new set of keys to your computer. You've got the power to navigate, create, diagnose, and even repair things with incredible speed and efficiency. The only question left is, what are you going to do with it? Go on, open that command prompt. It's time to start exploring and see what door you'll open first.